Hi everyone, this is Angela. Today, we will discuss the various mortgage loan packages available in Singapore. I am sure most of us applied for a mortgage loan during the purchase of a real estate property. There are many types of mortgage loan packages in Singapore. Amongst them, the more popular ones are fixed-rate mortgage, floating-rate mortgage, combination mortgage and interest-offset mortgage. For a fixed-rate mortgage, Housing Development Board offer HDB housing loan for financing of HDB properties only. Even though the current HDB housing loan interest rate is 2.6%, it allows borrower to borrow up to 90% loan to value of the HDB flat. For other properties, you can take up a fixed-rate bank loan. The interest rate is fixed for a certain period of time, usually first 1 to 5 years. Floating-rate mortgage are also very popular. 1-month or 3-month SIBOR or SOR pegged mortgage is linked to Singapore Interbank Borrowing Offer Rate and SGD Swap Offer Rate. The bank will charge a certain bank margin spread above the prevailing selected benchmark. The board rate and floating deposit rate pegged mortgage is linked to the bank's own internal interest rate mechanism. Some banks may offer a combination mortgage such as a fixed-rate plan with a floating-rate pegged component. There is also a SIBOR and SOR pegged floating-rate mortgage. Some banks also allows free switching between SIBOR and SOR, while some takes the average value of SIBOR and SOR. Certain banks offer interest-offset mortgage loan where a deposit account is open and earn the same interest rate as the home loan. Today, I am going to share with you the recent changes to interest rates and discuss if this is the right time to refinance your mortgage loan. Interest rate for fixed-rate mortgage has fallen consistently across 3 Singapore banks in April 2020 as compared to November 2019. If you intend to take up a fixed-rate loan, it will be a good time to contact the mortgage specialist now. Following the reduction of Fed rate in March 2020, SIBOR rate has also fallen in tandem. When we compare the first-year interest rate floating package on completed property, the interest rate offered by 3 Singapore banks in April 2020 is lower as compared to May 2019. Please note that the decrease in interest rate is largely driven by the fall in SIBOR rate, so should you rush to refinance your mortgage loan now? If we examine the interest rates further, most floating-rate loan offered by the bank is tagged against a benchmark plus a spread. Some banks offer the same spread in the first 2 or 3 years, while some increase the spread year on year. Looking at the spread across 3 Singapore banks, it has increased in April 2020 as compared to May 2019. If you have taken a floating rate loan a year ago, you would have noticed that your current interest rate spread is actually lower than what is being offered by banks now. It may not make sense to refinance your current package. Some of you may have taken floating rate loan with other benchmark, such as fixed deposits rate and board rate. The benchmark rate may not have fallen yet as these rates are highly dependent on individual banks' rate setting policies. If you are interested in refinancing or simply to understand more about the options available, please contact us at 8806-7393 and we will be happy to recommend the right mortgage specialist for your needs. Please subscribe, like or follow our channel to be kept updated.